Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is November 2nd, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, a stock I'm going to talk about today is Wal-Mart Company. Everybody knows Wal-Mart stores, the big, giant retailer. Well, one thing you'll notice here, if we take a look at a daily chart, is that the stock has been under severe pressure. But you're going to notice I have a black line drawn in here. And the reason why I have that black line is because now it becomes interesting on the long side. So let's go through the charts here. We're going to talk about the weekly chart next, and you're going to see the stock was trading above $90 a share earlier in the year, and now it is trading at around $57 a share. So it's almost been cut in half. Now, if we take a look at a monthly chart, what you're going to see here is that I have two lines drawn in. One is around this $57 level, which happens to be the 200-day or 200-month moving average. And then I have this line around the $54 level. So as soon as Walmart trades inside these lines, I think traders can look to get long the stock. And what you're going to do is you're going to put a stop loss below the low here, which is around 54 bucks. Use a weekly chart close. That should do the trick. But this is where the stock should get a little bit of a bounce. I'm going to show you something else here. If you take a look back in 2008, stock did have a nice move before reverting back down, and then you're going to see this long multi-year base. This is about a 3-year base right here. 2009, 2010, most of 2011, and then you got the breakout. Now you're seeing a back test to this little low area right over here going back to 2012. That's around $57. This is where we want to now get interested in Walmart. Doesn't mean that it's going to be a screaming trade to new all-time highs, but what it does mean is that it's a good tradable play back up to maybe $63, $64, and I think this is where we start to look at it. So again, you want to see this come down a little bit more. I'd like to see it get into around this $56 to $54 range in between these black lines. Traders could probably play this back up to around $63 ultimately. So either way, Walmart is on the radar at this point in time, and this is where I think traders should start to get interested in this giant retailer. So again, forget the news. I know it's a restructuring. They're going to compete with Amazon, but the bottom line is it's a cash cow, and the fact remains that this is where the institutional traders supported the stock for 3 years. I doubt they're going to give it up here. They're going to support it again. So with that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.